Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. You must have access or permission to change screen time and the device settings. Once done, make sure Bgmi is updated so app side limits aren't causing the issue. You should also verify your Apple ID and device passcode are at hand because legitimate adjustments require authentication. This prevents wasted steps and avoids attempts to bypass controls. If you don't have permission, talk to the account holder before proceeding. Now, adjust the official settings responsibly. You can modify app limits or downtime in screen time if you have authorization. Tap Bgmi and change allowed time windows. If you're on family sharing, send a request for extra time and explain why you need it. Also check Bgmi permissions in settings to ensure the app can run as intended. Sometimes timeouts are due to restricted background activity. Make changes deliberately and document approvals so behavior expectations stay clear. Finish by restarting the device to apply screen time changes and then relaunch Bgmi. This resolves many transient issues. If problems persist, reinstall the game after confirming your cloud save is active so you don't lose progress. Should settings not take effect, reach out to Apple support for screen time guidance or Bgmi support for app-specific behavior. Remember, do not attempt to bypass parental controls instead. Use authorized channels and clear communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.